Hi friends, I prepared a new artificial intelligence video and I wanted to share it with you. There are many AI apps that create music, but many of them ask for money during subscription. That's why I am gonna tell you two of them that will be most useful to you. Our first site is Beatoven.ai. When we enter the site, we see such an interface. Below are usage examples. Agencies, YouTubers, those who want to create podcasts and audiobooks can use this site. I want to click on YouTube. I'll take a look below. Make your channel signature sound. Connect with your audience in outro sections. And look, this is important. No hassles of paying royalties, as it's royalty-free music. Now we are more comfortable. Let's try creating music. Sign up with your Google account. After logging in, you will see a screen like this. These are old records. I say new track. Now I will name my project Joker. And 1 minute is maximum. We chose the tempo below, let it be medium. And next, now it asked me about the type. There are many types. You can choose what you want. I would say cinematic. Okay, now we come to the feeling part. We will choose which feeling should be dominant in our music. I chose this. Nice. Okay, now our music is formatted. Let's listen. That's how our music is. I think it's beautiful. If you don't like it, there are alternative musics about your choices. Let's choose one of them, for example. That's fine, I will choose this. In the meantime, you can rearrange your selections on the right. You can also send your video to the screen you see after the send you have selected has downloaded. The site offers such an opportunity. I am gonna pick download the song from here as MP3 and download. Our music is now ready. Let's open it now. It was beautiful. We can use the tracks we download here royalty free, but pay attention to some things. So if you put it on YouTube or Spotify as music, of course you will have trouble. Now let's look at some details. I came out of this screen and click view plans. You can review them. Let me tell you the important ones. Monthly 15 minutes free download. This is important. And this is so important. Give credits to Beatoven.ai on your videos. For example, you want to use the sound you got from Beatoven in one of your videos. In the description of the work you will do, you need to state that the music is taken from Beatoven, or you should make a promotion for Beatoven.ai in your video. If you give money, $20 per month, you don't need any attribution, and you have 60 minutes per month. You can examine other information. I think it's a very good site, and there are very few sites that offer such opportunities for free. Now let's move on to our second site, Mubert.com. It has a simple and beautiful theme. I love it. Sign up and register friends. When you log in after registration, a screen like this appears. Generate. Yeah, below are the music made here. We are gonna make our own music uniquely. So let's come here. I want thriller music about artificial intelligence. And here, we choose the duration. Let it be 45 seconds. Generate. Okay. This is our music. Wow. If you don't like it, you can create a similar one here or write something different again. You may want to use the canned tags here. The sounds we downloaded before are coming to this section. We want to download the sound. It asks where to use the sound. Copy this and paste it in the description of your content. This is really important, friends. Don't forget this. And now I can use the sound, thriller music. Okay, let's take a look at the packages. Yeah, in this package, you don't need attribution. This is nice. No audible watermark, in-game music, in-app music. There are many features here. Pay attention to this warning too. You may not distribute the parts you create anywhere. Please remember this. This is really nice sites. I searched for free and copyright-free sites and found these two beautiful sites. Hopefully, it benefits your business. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Hope to see you in my next video.